Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to buy an IPO stock in 1 minute or less. It's really that simple. First, we're going to open up Webull. If you don't have a Webull account yet, check out the link in the description below. Sign up. It's free. You get up to 5 or 10 free stocks depending on the current promotion. It's a great brokerage app. I use it as one of my mains. So here we have Webull open. What you want to do next is at the bottom, click on the Markets tab. You can see right there, scroll down a little bit, and then there's the IPO center. What you want to do is click on the available. And once you're in the IPO center, you'll see all the IPOs available for purchase. What you want to do is click on the one you're interested in, click order now at the bottom, enter trading password, then input how much you want to buy at the price that it releases. So I put $100 here. Whether the price ends up being $5.50 or $7.50, I'll buy around $100 worth of the IPO along with any fractional shares. Then you just want to click that check mark, click apply now, click next for the confirmation, and there, boom, that's it. You submitted your submission for the IPO. Then you just wait for the IPO date. That will be when the offering end date is. That will be the listed date on this timeline. On that exact date, you'll automatically be allocated a certain amount of stock. And that's it. That's how to buy an IPO in 1 minute or less. Again, if you don't have Webull yet, I highly recommend it. Check the link in the description below to sign up and get your free stocks. Thanks. Later.